Hello everyone. So this is my second topic, guys. This is not based on my personal experience, guys, but this is one of maybe an experience from someone close to me, and then I wanted to share this because it really hurt me as well. So this topic um, will might also help you and to protect yourself as a woman, and then it's all up to you guys. I know marriage is very important. Marriage is really sacred. No, so you have to try to protect and save your relationship as much as possible. But there's one thing that I'm also reminding every woman, and then this topic is all about emotional abuse. Emotional abuse is just as bad as physical abuse. Worse, you can heal broken bones, but you can heal a broken mind. Because, guys, actually, what happened is not also really emotional, but it happened as well a physical. There's a physical, and it's so disappointing because it happened and we didn't realize and we didn't know, and then so it's just upsetting how it turns out because yeah, it gives her a big trauma to her, no. So anyway, this topic is very helpful to you guys because um as women, we also have to protect ourselves, guys. You don't must tolerate those kind of people or your partner who is really acting violently already. I know there are times that um, many of us doesn't even understand because some of our partners maybe is going through a lot of things, difficult time, and even having a hard time of coping up their behaviors, and they don't even tend to realize what they're doing already. Well, for me, I'm not telling as well to end really, but it's also about how you will protect yourself. Because at this point, even me, I keep on reminding my husband really that one day, if ever one day, um, it will happen. I will not tolerate it, really. I told him many times that sorry, I'll be sorry, but I will never, ever, ever tolerate those kind of behavior. So, um, every time we fight as well, you have to talk to each other, but with calm mind, calm mood, and then because if you are too much on fire and angry to each other, no, you can fix it. You can talk well. There will be no proper conversation because someone is really is thinking his or her is more superior, something like that. For you to help as well how to cope up your problems, guys, especially with your marriage, you must also learn how to discover yourself first. You must find yourself. who you are, what you've been doing. You must also try to know deeper yourself. Like if you have time, you can write it out, like what's the good thing of you, what are the bad things about you. And then because me, I didn't even realize really that I have I have something that I didn't know from the long run. Then I just learned from it from my husband as well, as he told me that, like when he asked me about it, like it it touched me deeply. It discovered myself, like throwback from my childhood days, like. And it made me realize, like, yeah, he was right and I was wrong. Because us ladies or women, we think always we are right even we are wrong already. We are the one who's think that always right, but not, we are not right. Me, I also admit to my husband that, yeah, I was wrong. And I have this also behavior that, really, that I don't talk. I just silently go away from, or try to stay away and distance myself, because I don't want to really to stay in an argument. Then especially if someone is also, doesn't willing to accept, or doesn't willing to hear what you're saying, because it's useless if you don't try to understand each other, no. So that's why for me it's really important that you also, if you talk to your partner, you must really listen, and not just like, okay, done, fine, let's just accept it. And then after, no, you didn't do something actually. It's not all about that. It takes a lot of work. You must you must stop this behavior, try to change, so that you can fix your marriage, you can fix what is the problem of you both. Because it takes to really, you know, to for you to work it out, you must help each other. Because it's not only from 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 the wife or husband. Because, you know, at the end of the day, you are the only who can fix it. Nobody can fix it but only both of you. That's why it is very important that you will talk about it without anger. And if this person as well, really, especially women, because we don't just give up, guys. No, we don't just give up in just single thing or something like that. Though we try to say no, we can't take anymore. We can, but when when the woman arrives to the extent of too much long patience from you, there is also a limit of it. And then I understand if some women really just give up, because they don't want to happen it again. And especially for those people who already have a trauma against their partners. Because it's not easy, guys, because I know it will just keep it coming back. And then the fear is already there. And then that's one thing that can't be fixed anymore. So it's so hard if your partner is hurting you, because um you can change this behavior really. And then not unless this man will try to go to psychological therapy to help him to, you know, to try to find himself and how to cope up his behavior. Because I know um it depends of the situation really, guys. So anyway, because I'm also willing to talk about as well for this next topic is all about the happening of the relationship for everybody. So I'm gonna talk and share everything. So get until next time. So see you then, and I hope you learned something from our topic today. So get back to you soon. Ciao.